I think one of the biggest reasons that we went to DART to get these routes put in closer to our facilities is we see people that struggle to get to work every day. A prime example would be Robert Mosby. He rode his bike 45 minutes each way every day, no matter what the conditions were. He did that for 4 years. Now that we have this stop here, he has the ability to get to work on time every day. He doesn't have to endure the elements, and he is able to use the bus to get to appointments, to go to events, to go grocery shopping. And we just did that because we care about our employees and how much time they devote to us here at work.
I'd ride my bike the 20 miles every day. I'd get up at 4 o'clock every morning to get to work on time. With it being able to bring me here, I don't have to do all that. To get the bus is far better than riding all the way here and then dealing with the traffic situation. It's been nice, you know. This is a job I can say that really cares for its people. They really do, and they show it.
I feel that the investment that we made creates a better life for those people that come to work every day.
It's been great having them to be able to drop me off right here at the job. It has helped 100% because now I know I can get a bus anywhere, anytime with DeeZee helping me like that.
We see an increase of 23% from month to month, and again, the employees enjoy not only getting to work, but the ability to use that transit system for all their needs.
Most of the people I see on the bus that ride the DART bus are good people. They just want to make a living too, and we know the only way to make an honest living is to get up and go to work. And DART is there for us all to be able to get to work. The way I was raised was always to have a job and always to keep a job. An employer can't do nothing but succeed and have employees that will stay longer, that know that the job cares enough for them to be able to provide them transportation to work and from work. It's a win-win situation.
When I watch people get on and off the bus, I believe that they truly have a better life with this partnership that we have with DART. I think it's the best thing we've ever done.